Where concept of finding the past. Now today I will tell you about how you find the past means कैसे. तो first method of how is through manuscripts. So what do you mean by manuscripts? The word manuscript is combination of two words, menu and other one is script. Menu means hand and script means written. So hand, written. Menu means hand, script means in writing. In simple word, manuscript means written by hand. हाथ के द्वारा लिखा गया. जैसे कि like I write this word hand and writing on this paper. This is my manuscript. But earlier no paper was used. They used to write the manuscript on the palm leaves, bark of the tree, पेड़ की छाल, which is commonly known as which grows in Himalayas. So these were the method through which they used to write their manuscript on the palm leaf, ताड़ के पत्ते, bark of the tree, पेड़ की छाल, which is known as birch, commonly found in or grows in Himalayas region. Some of the manuscripts are preserved in temples and monasteries. So temples, मंदिरों में these manuscripts were stored and preserved, संभाल कर रखी गई हैं. But some have been eaten away by insects. But इतनी पुरानी नहीं संभाल सकते. So they were, some of them were still preserved, but some of them eaten by insects, some were destroyed. Many of the books were earlier written in, and which language they used? Sanskrit, Prakrit or Tamil. Like in daily routine we speak Hindi or English language. Earlier they used to speak Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil, or in the same language they wrote their manuscripts. The Prakrit, the word Prakrit is a language. It is Prakrit is a name of a language which was commonly used by the ordinary people, साधारण लोग उस समय के, of that time. The other method of finding the past how is inscription. One is writing on the palm leaves or bark of the, other one is inscription. Inscription means inscribed, खोदना या गोद देना, embedded. Inscription different word is embedded. Inscription were the swords that were written on the hard surface. Hard surface like stone or metal. They used to inscribe their messages on the pillars and the rocks. Kings got their order or rules inscribed. खोद दिया जाता था किंग का ऑर्डर, जो किंग ने, द ऑर्डर विच किंग वांट्स टू convey to their citizen, so that inscribed on the stone or rock, so that people could see, read and obey them or follow them, ताकि लोग वो मैसेज देख सकें, पढ़ सकें और उसे फॉलो कर सकें. सो अर्लियर king used this inscription method to convey their messages. Like today we follow messaging through app, mobile, WhatsApp. In the same way king used inscription method. Kings often kept records of victory in battle. When any king won the battle, how they keep record for other? So they kept the record by inscribing that battle detail on the rocks and pillars. So third method is archaeological. Archaeological means खोद कर निकालना. The object which have been recovered during excavation, excavation means खुदाई, and were explored by archaeologists. So archaeological work is done by archaeologist. Archaeologist is a person who study the object जो खुदाई के दौरान जितने भी चीजें ऑब्जेक्ट्स मिलती हैं, रिकवर होते हैं, उनकी स्टडी कौन करता है? एक आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट. सो वी कैन से दैट आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट इज द पर्सन हु स्टडी द ऑब्जेक्ट रिकवर्ड ड्यूरिंग द एक्सकवेशन. खुदाई के दौरान they study the remain of building made of stone and brick. Sometimes during excavation process they found a building remains of the buildings, animals, paintings and sculpture, murtiyan. So in this way they can easily consider or found what happened in the past or in the history. They dig, खोदते हैं under the surface of the earth to find the different objects like weapons, हथियार, tools, औजार, ornaments, गहने, coins, सिक्के and bones, हड्डियां of animals, sometimes birds, through which they got information regarding the eating pattern of the people or other living pattern, कि वो रहते कैसे थे. इन सब चीजों से through these objects an archaeologist easily find out the pattern of their living in the past. Hence we can say that manuscript, inscription and archaeological objects are the main source of how concept that historian which gather the information. इकट्ठा करना, gather means इकट्ठा करना. Historian is a person who study about history. From the name historian, history. A person who study about the history is known as historian or a person who is expert in history subject.